8.24, Access Private Fields. We're continuing our discussion with classes and such. Previous videos can be found in the playlist linked below the like button, as well as future videos talking about this. For this specific question, when fields are made private, client programs cannot see them directly. Remember, fields are like the variables at the top of a class. We are asked, how do you allow classes access to read these fields values without letting the client break the object's encapsulations? Because remember, if these fields are private, we can't access them directly from outside. So how do we do this? Well, we've also talked about accessor methods before, and we'll have to create an accessor method. That way we can access these fields. This would be like a getter. So a getter is going to get that field and return it, and there's no way that the client can modify through this getter. So that's 8.24, that's how we would look at it, and that is it for this practice it.